What if I told you that animals can predict natural disasters long before our best scientists, satellites, or high-tech warning systems? We're talking seconds, minutes, and sometimes even days before disaster strikes. They know something is coming, and yet we humans almost always ignore them. Think about it. Before major earthquakes, people have reported dogs howling nonstop for no apparent reason. Snakes suddenly abandon their burrows in the middle of winter, and rats flee underground tunnels, scrambling for higher ground. There's a famous case in China where officials ordered a citywide evacuation based on bizarre animal behavior, saving thousands of people from a massive earthquake that struck just days later. Scientists have a few theories. Some believe animals can feel tiny microvibrations in the ground that we can't detect. Others think they can sense subtle electrical changes in the Earth's magnetic field. They aren't guessing. They are reacting to real, physical changes. Remember the devastating Indian Ocean tsunami in 2004? Eyewitnesses reported incredible stories. Elephants that were normally calm suddenly broke their chains and ran for the hills, away from the coast. Dogs refused to go outside for their daily walks near the beach. Flocks of coastal birds mysteriously vanished inland. While tourists and locals were enjoying the beautiful day, the animals were already escaping. It is believed they can hear the ultra-low frequency sound waves that a tsunami generates as it travels through the deep ocean, long before the monstrous wave actually reaches the land. It's not just earthquakes and tsunamis. Before volcanic eruptions, entire populations of frogs have been known to vanish overnight. Birds abandon their nesting grounds, leaving their eggs behind. Even insects disappear completely. Why? The volcano releases toxic gases and causes chemical changes in the water and air. Animals, with their heightened senses, pick up on this poisoning of their environment immediately. By the time we humans see the smoke plume, the animals are long gone. Even the weather doesn't surprise them. Sharks have been observed swimming to deeper, calmer waters hours, or even days before a hurricane makes landfall. Farmers have known for centuries that when their cows all lie down in the field together, a storm is usually on its way. Birds can change their migratory flight paths days in advance to avoid a major weather system. They are incredibly tuned in to atmospheric pressure drops, shifts in the wind, and electromagnetic changes that signal what's coming. Basically, animals read the planet like a giant warning label. Over millions of years, they evolved to survive by paying attention to these signals. We humans, on the other hand, have evolved to rely on technology and logic, often ignoring our own instincts and the subtle signs around us. Our technology is amazing, but it's brand new. Their instincts have been battle-tested for eons. Nature simply hasn't given us that software update yet. So the next time you see animals suddenly start to panic, run for no reason, or just disappear, maybe it's worth paying attention. Because animals don't just predict disasters, they feel them coming. If nature still fascinates and scares you a little, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. Smash that like button and dive into the video link below right now. Seriously, it's mind-blowing. Thanks for hanging out with us.